With Slack, you can receive an email, and that email can pop up directly in one of your channels or as a DM. This is a feature that is only for the pro, for the paid subscription, so it's not available for the other ones. Interesting because that will generate you an email address. It's not a nice one because of course it's generated automatically by Slack. Each time that you're receiving an email there, it's going to appear in the group. That's very good, especially for support teams or for special emails that you want to track on them. So you can put it in put in the loop for an opportunity or anything that you want to have this a clear tracking of what is happening, and this is going to work perfectly. You have other opportunity that is using the add-ons. As I was mentioning before, you have in the integrations, you can have Google Calendar, but you can also use the integration from Gmail. So in that way, you can also see there all the different emails that you are receiving. This is another way for receiving the emails. In this case, this is all the emails that are arriving from an account. It's going to appear there. You need to do the integration, but it works seamless. And there is also an automatic forwarding that use Slack for. This is only for one account. That is, so it's something that you can receive yourself. This is not like the first feature that can appear in a channel, but well, it's also included in all the versions that we have from Slack. So if you don't want to use the integration, so you have another third-party email service, you can use this feature for that. And in your own preferences, in your profile, you will always see that you have a generated email address that you can use for receiving this automatic forwarding.